Hello and welcome back to Swapnil's analysis. I am Swapnil. Today we are going to discuss a very beautiful and meaningful poem of Robert Frost. The title of the poem is Fire and Ice. The poem was published in 1920s and the poem talks about how the human race would end itself by its desires and hatred for themselves. So, in the poem, fire stands for desire and ice stands for ice cold hatred. Means we human beings, we are motivated by our desires, and likewise, we also have hatred for one another. Means be it on the basis of language, be it on the basis of religion, region, country, color of the skin, all these things are involved or which makes us to hate one another. And that is what Robert Frost is discussing in his 1920s poem Fire and Ice. So let us start our discussion. So the poem is very short, hardly about 9 to 10 lines poem. So let us discuss the poem line by line. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. For what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. So, what here is saying that some people means who are these people we do not know, or as if some people they are arguing or debating that okay, fire would end this world, and there is another group of people that is saying no, no, ice would end this world, and that is what the first two lines are indicating towards that. Some say the world would end in fire, some say in ice. So here both these things, if we take literally, that fire and ice, they are sufficient to end this world, this earth. But here fire means desire. What kind of desire we human beings have? Desire for power, desire for money, desire for position, desire for everything, and that is what we are doing. Means if we see that we are going on moon, Mars to find what, it's not about the research or all other things. We are going there, all the countries, one thing they just want, that is source of energy. This whole world we are using, we are rather destroying the environment for the sake of energy. And there are so many desires which human beings are motivated by, and these desires one day would definitely end the world. The another group of people, they are saying that no, no, fire means desires, it would not end the world. Ice means hatred. Yes, we hate one another. This thing, that be it on the basis of religion, be it on the basis of caste or region or country or skin color, it there are so many things that we hate one another for, and because of this hatred, one day we might end our race. Therefore, what is saying that these two things means fire and ice, they both are equivalent, or they are equally powerful enough to kill or destroy the human race. And here the speaker, here the speaker, he's saying that okay, he is just listening as an outsider the debate of these two groups. One is in the favor of fire, that is desire, one is in the favor of hatred, that is ice, and he is a sort of neutral observer. And therefore in the third line what he says, slightly confirm that for what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. What he says that I have also been motivated by desire. So therefore, if one may ask me, then I would definitely say that okay, fire may end this world one day. Then again, he changes his opinion, and what he says, but if I had to perish twice, if someone has to kill perfectly to the end, to the perfection, that what is saying, if it had to perish twice, means the world, human race, if there is no one to survive, if we want such situation, then what, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. So if we want to eradicate the human race from this earth, then ice, that is hate, would suffice. So it is a very simple poem talking about the human race, desire and hatred. It is not only about the desire or hatred, that why do we have these motivations or hatred for one another. And this poem, see, he has written in 1920s, means he was trying to draw our attention, means the first world war ended by the 1920. There were so many movements taking on in the early 20th century, and both the things, means desire and hatred, they were prevalent in the times of Robert Frost, and also the modernism. So many modernist movement, they were taking place. So what, therefore this might have compelled Robert Frost to write a poem about human desires and hatred for one another, and these two things would suffice to end this world. Thank you for watching, and do let me know what is your take on this poem. Thank you once again.